Alright, monthly siren test if the weather permits, which I'm feeling that it's probably going to cancel a test. Listen to that wind. Now, hopefully you could hear it, but the 2001 130 down by the gas station, it stayed on for quite some time before it finally shut off. Like usually, has a period of time where it's completely wind up and it'll wind down for attack, But that time it was wind up for longer than usual, so I just wanted to point that out. But hopefully you were able to hear that because a car did go by when that happened. Like always, they always go by when something interesting happens. So I got to hear these sirens go off 7 times this month.